For making this mandir, I am using this box from my IKEA store. I will provide product detail in the description box. Then I started painting background of this box. So basically I am making some lotus flowers and leaves with different colors. Also I added some border with the golden and red colors. You can choose any design. So after making background and the borders, the mandir is looking like this. Also I have used cardboard pieces to make this mandir shape. For making upper part of mandir, I used a waste plastic box and then I painted it. I used mirror sticker to decorate the side walls. To make the gumbad, I stick two plastic balls together and then painted it into golden color. Also at the last, I used pearl chain to decorate the mandir.